Muto.
Thanks, Mom.
Stuart, don't forget your water bottle. George.
Don't forget your cleats. You're looking especially beautiful today.
Well, some people just know how to wear oatmeal. Okay, open up. Did you hear that? She said, blah, blah. I can't believe it. Her first word. Where's the baby book? I'm writing it down.
I'm not sure that's technically, a word.
Of course it is. But your Uncle Crenshaw says that every little starts talking by 9 months.
Yeah, Uncle Crenshaw's case never stops.
Are you both coming to the game?
Wouldn't miss it.
Frederick, this soccer game is making me very
Proud.
anxious, especially about...
I'm fine.
He's fine.
all those boys stomping around with cleats. What if someone...
Oh, honey, he's little. All littles are natural athletes.
Did he...
Could you...
Okay, that's it for you. Snow, food.
Food? Is it tuna or herring? Or dare I say it, is it lox? Oh, please be lox.
Snow, that's for you.
How about it, boys? We ready to play some soccer?
You bet, Dad.
Oh, great. It's glop. Look what I'm reduced to. I'm a handy wipe with hair.